How to fix Shein app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Shein application is not working, follow this quick and easy step. First and foremost, press and hold onto your Shein application and head over to App Info. Force stop your application, head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. After this, you can head back from here. Then you will see this open button, just click on it. It is equivalent to opening or launching your application, just like open as administrator in your PC. Now once you have done this step, the issue must be solved and your application must be up and running. However, if it's not still working, check out your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Shein. Then, if you see any of the available update, leave your application for an update. Also mind that when your application is undergoing an update, your application will simply not work or launch. In that case, no need to panic, just have a little bit of patience and relaunch your application after a couple of minutes. And that is how you'll be able to fix your application not working. It is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.